It's coming from way down there.
See, right here. It's strong. It's a strong current.
It's not a pump.
No.
What's going on?
Yeah, Wes was back here.
Giant pump is coming.
Whoa. Oh, no.
Wait.
Oh.
Issues to help pull this stuff out.
Okay.
So this is interesting.
I don't know if this can't be okay.
You've got another pipe that is
Oh, under and
you've got a little bit of a berming here, so this is the flow. You can see the current. See?
I was gonna say it had a current earlier.
Well, you can see the current here.
Yeah.
That's down.
And there isn't a storm sewer until,
You know, that's another option. Oh, look at the storm sewer here.
Oh!
In my backyard.
Okay. Now the water there, I presume, is coming from the same source.
Comes in and it works its way behind.
Okay. So it's coming down the street, and then for a while the street was totally flooded, I presume, right? So that produced the spillover onto your property.
Back in here, there's a pipe that ends right at our fence line.
And that's from your neighbor.
And that's from them. That's from their retention.
And they drained everything this way?
It's all sloping
Okay.
this way. And that's where we have, even more issues.
Got it. So we got the very local issues, and then we've got the medium size, and then we got the...
Well, yeah, and I understand and I appreciate
I
big picture on
I'm
what
just
to
trying
do.
to... I'm getting my arms around it. I
Right.
think I got to...
Jeff said it's in their house, the blue house there.
Yeah, the blue house gets water in it.
Yeah, and it's in their house and up their best.
All right, guys.
Okay, thank you, sir.
Very good.
Thank
Sorry
you.
this happened. We'll work on it, I assure you. My concern, too, is, it's not... The problem isn't going to just solve itself. It's a problem that we didn't have historically, and now we do. Now it's chronic.
Yes, it is.
All right, guys.
Thank you.
The problem isn't going to just solve itself. It's